In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the transaction history on Xero. This is a really useful feature whenever you need to see exactly what's happened to a transaction over time. Maybe you're trying to understand when something was approved, who made a change, or why a figure looks different from what you expected. The history and notes in Xero give you that clear audit trail, so you can follow the life of a transaction from start to finish. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, we're going to navigate to the accounting area. Look towards the top of your screen for the main navigation bar. You should see a tab labeled Accounting. Move your cursor over to that and click on it. The accounting menu is where Xero keeps all of your core financial information, like your chart of accounts, bank accounts, reports, and transactions. If you're working with invoices, bills, or bank reconciliations, you'll usually start from this section, so think of this as your main hub for anything related to your numbers. Once you're in the accounting area and you've opened the specific transaction you want to review, the next step is to access its detailed history. On the transaction page, look for an option called History and Notes. This is usually located near the bottom or along the edge of the transaction screen, depending on the type of transaction you're viewing. Go ahead and click on History and Notes. As soon as you do, Xero will expand a panel that shows you a chronological list of events related to that transaction. Here, you'll see things like when the transaction was created, edited, approved, or voided, and often which user performed each action. You may also see system-generated entries, such as automatic updates or status changes. This section is extremely helpful for troubleshooting and for accountability. For example, if an invoice total looks different today than it did last month, you can scroll through the history to see exactly when the change happened and who made it. If your accountant or a team member has left a note explaining an adjustment, you'll find that here as well. You don't need to save anything after viewing this history. It's automatically maintained by Xero. Simply scroll through to review the details, and when you're finished, you can close the history panel or navigate back to your other work. And that's all you need to do to view the transaction history on Xero. Open the accounting section, then use the History and Notes option to see the full story behind any transaction.